Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your support so much. Okay, what are we going to do today? Now our friends over at the VC Box USA, an official VC Box USA distributor, sent us over the all-new V1 Max box to test and give you my views on it. Now, even though they sent it for free, they know my rules. I have it in everything, that I can say whatever I want as I see it as the box performs. If it's not worth your time, I will tell you all. And they have no prior approval over any part of my videos. Also, they were nice enough to give you guys a coupon if you can't wait but want to save some ducats. You know, dinero, bucks, you know, greenbacks. Hey, keep watching everybody. I'm gonna break down the actual cost for you and what the effective wash time is. Now I'll have that for you shortly because you won't want to miss that. Hey, but remember to subscribe and like to help me out here. I appreciate that so much. Okay, the VC Box V1 Max, the newest for the 2023 VC Box lineup, the highly anticipated V1 Max. Now, VC Box V1 Max is a brand new remastered version of the 2022 V1 model. With the upgraded 4GB DDR3 RAM and the 32GB of storage with a Wi-Fi 6 module. Now, it also supports the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and 1000 megabits per second Ethernet, which provide a powerful, fast, and stable network signal, along with utilizing the H.265 decoding technology, which basically means you get a lot for a little. Okay, let's go ahead and see what you get. Now, this package comes with the VC Box V1 Max, the VC Box V1 Max remote, an antenna, user manual, an HDMI cable, and a power supply. Now, I don't know if they heard me about this, but every box comes with a welcome package with batteries, and most importantly, the VC Box USA business cards. This contains all the necessary information for any support the customers might have. Plus, I believe the interface does have the QR codes there too for you. Hey, let's go and take a look at the box and see what it has for the inputs. Now, you know it has the HDMI port, has the AV port, the optical sound port, the network port, which allows you to establish a high quality connection for the best visual and audio performance. Now, with the USB 2.0 and 3.0 ports and 1000 megabits per second Ethernet port, you don't need to worry about compatibility issues at all, which is a lot of performance in this box. Anyways, let's go ahead and hook this up and let's see what the hype is all about. Now, I've had a bunch of viewers asking me for this review, so here we go. Now, it goes through the initial startup where you give it all the information to get it online and so forth, but I'm not going to bore you with that. Let's just go ahead and pop right in there. Okay, once it's ready, it comes up with this page here. It's the home page with the Android layout. And if I said it before, I'll say it again. I like a clean interface. I don't need a bunch of banners or any of that stuff unless it's going to tell me something I need. Okay, let's start off. Let's go with the top to the bottom. Now, first, there is an app store that they call the Market. Next, you have all the media apps you're going to want. Start off with the Google Play Store. They have that also for you. They also say this box should take any of the apps that are in the Play Store. Now, the next one is Amazon Prime. Next one is Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus. Then you have settings. Now you have your network setting. You can go there and set up the Wi-Fi and what. You have the sound and display. So you can do the scale, outpost mode, all this stuff here. I like this interface on this. Now you have your common, which is allow installation of unknown apps and all that stuff. You can do a factory reset from here. You can set up your time zone. Okay, another good thing here is the update. Now you can do a local update if you have one, if you need one, or online update. These are great. The OTA updates I really like. You can hit it and checking for update. This is the latest version. Then you have your apps. You can go into this and just go to whatever apps you want to hit. Then about. It's a model V1 Max. It gives you software version, date, and what you have in the device storage and total memory. That total memory is random access memory. Then you got Miracast, which works really good from a phone. You just kind of click on that and it'll start looking for anything that is playing with Miracast. If you need to do the initial setup again, this will take you through getting everything set up like it was from the beginning. And then you have your standard file manager, which is, allow it and you can do whatever you want to do. This is just standard stuff there. Okay, let's go down to the next line, which is the contact icon, and use the QR code to get support there also. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next one, which is system settings. This one here, it takes you over to the actual where you can put in Bluetooth, you can hook up your games to this. You can go to your apps, you can go to device preferences, about, and then you can go through and just see whatever you need to see. So you're going to control this pretty much like any of the other Android boxes. Change your date and time, keyboard, mouse mode, input, sound storage, so this just really is kind of nice to know that it's familiar to you, so you don't get lost and any of that stuff. You can check your network connections. If it's always faster when you have a Ethernet. Right now I'm running off actually Wi-Fi on this one, and I'm way away from my router. It's working good enough. So okay, next is the launcher settings. You can do add groups, parental settings. So you know what I'm talking about, is to make sure that you lock down what you don't want kids to see. And you have a startup app, so when you start this up, you can choose any one of these. Like you want it to start on TV there, you can just click on that, and what it's going to do is whenever you start this up each morning or night or whenever you watch TV, it's going to go right to that. Then you have your software update where you can check it there. System info, we showed you that before. And then this here is a memory cleanup. I really like this. This is your one-touch thing that will clean up all the residuals, your install files, your stuff that you're not using, and the stuff that they use to put stuff in. So just kind of hit that and it'll clean it up. Now we're down 27.9%, which is great. So if it starts getting up into the 80 and 90%, you might want to hit that button. And there you go. That's what you're going to get. Okay, let's go ahead and get out of here, and I will explain my thoughts on this VC Max box. Let's take a look at this. As of January 2023, the NGPF organization said to this question, how much does the average consumer spend a month on media subscription services? Now, when reviewing their spending, consumers found that the cost of their subscription services cost 2.5 times more what they expected. The answer is $219 per month on average subscription service. Now, this is a whopping $133 higher than the original estimate. Now, we all know how it happens, like with satellite companies and cable companies, where you go in at a great price of, say, everything, their big package for $89 a month. Now, after a while, somehow it's like $179 a month plus. Now, I was asked not too long ago, would I honestly purchase one of these boxes? And I said, yes, I have. Now, while we're on that though, I do like the support they offered, because whenever I do a review, support is a big part of the service if I ever need it. Now, I tell you what, after emailing back and forth a bunch of times, I think the crew over at VC Box USA are the type of people that'll stand behind their products and are known to step up for their customers and take care of them with any support they may need. Now, I even send dummy emails, support emails, from bogus accounts that I have, just to see their response times, and they were spot on. That's what you're looking for. I will also have the link on there where to get this, along with any coupon codes I can get for you. Now, why do I push so hard to get one of these to give away? Stop. Do not adjust your TV sets. This portion of the video has been removed. Please accept my apology for this inconvenience. I also have a Rumble channel with full-length product reviews about technology, internet, cellular, and more. Continue with scheduled programming. Now, I appreciate all of you watching, and I hope you'll watch more of my videos. Thanks for all your support, and see you on the next one. Well, I am not really seeing you like, a creepy person or something like that. You know what I mean. Until next time, have a great day, and maybe watch one of these videos here.